In this video, I will read and explain you the lesson. Lesson number 3, the trick that did not work. A pair of jackals become ministers to the king of the jungle and use trickery to keep him under their control. But they do not realize the power of friendship. This classic tale from the Panchatantra shows why trying to fool others can be a very foolish thing. Deep inside a dark jungle, there lived a lion. He was a big, handsome lion with a golden mane and fiery eyes. What do you mean by mane? Long hair on the neck of the lion. What do you mean by fiery eyes? It means angry eyes. So lion was very handsome with a golden mane and fiery eyes. His name was Zung and he was the king of the jungle. What is the name of the lion? Zung. Like all kings, he too had ministers to whom he listened when he was in a good mood. Zung's ministers were two jackals, Jalu and Golu. Who were Zung's ministers? Two jackals. Now, what were the names of the two jackals? Chalu and Golu. The jackals, especially Chalu, were very cunning. Cunning means clever. They kept the king happy by telling him only what he liked to hear, and they agreed with everything he said. They sang his praises and told him that he was the bravest and the strongest king on earth. The jackals kept buttering the lion by praising him all the time. Naturally, the king believed that his ministers were faithful and loyal. He thought he was lucky to have such wise ministers. So he looked after them, fed them, and took them along wherever he went. This paragraph means as the king was very happy with the jackals, he, that is the lion, looked after them. Them means jackals, fed them and took them along wherever he went. The jackals hardly did any work. They did not have to fight their enemies to protect themselves, nor did they have to hunt for food like other animals. They grew fat on whatever Zung killed. Soon they became very arrogant. Arrogant. What do you mean by arrogant? Arrogant means proudy. And did not allow any other animal to come near the lion or become friendly with him. So why did the jackals become arrogant? The jackals became arrogant because the lion looked after them. It means saved them from other wild animals and fed them as they ate whatever Zung killed. One day, Zung was at the river for a drink. When he heard an animal bellow, what do you mean by bellow? Bellow means the loud sound made by an animal. It was so loud that the whole jungle echoed with the sound and startled the lion. Now, what do you mean by echoed? Echoed means repeated. The sound got repeated in the jungle that it surprised and frightened the lion. He had never heard anything like it before. In fact, he had rarely heard the call of other animals, since they were all scared of him and stayed as far away from him as possible. It means as the lion was the king of the jungle, everybody was scared of him and everybody stayed as far away from him as possible. So he had rarely heard the call of other animals. Frightened by the sound, he went rushing back to his den, pale with fear. His ministers were surprised to see the king trembling. Trembling means shaking with fear, and wanted to know what had happened. At first, Zung would not tell them anything. To whom? The jackals. He was too ashamed to let them know that he, the king of the jungle, was afraid of a sound. But the next day the same thing happened. Same sound was there near the river. Then Zung called his ministers and told them that he had decided to leave the jungle and go away. Now, what was Zung ashamed of? He was ashamed of letting the jackals know that the king of the jungle was afraid of a sound. Chalu and Golu were disappointed to hear this. What were Chalu and Golu disappointed to hear? Chalu and Golu were disappointed to hear that the lion had decided to leave the jungle and go away. What would happen to them if the lion went away? They would have to work to find their food and would have to live in fear of other wild animals. No, they could not let the lion go to another jungle. They begged and pleaded with Zung till lion told them that he had been frightened by a terrible sound. It could only belong to a strong beast. Beast is a large animal who feared no one else in the jungle. Finally, the lion told the jackals that he had been afraid of a terrible sound and it could only be a strong beast who is not scared of anyone in the jungle. Hearing this, the two jackals smiled to themselves, for they knew that there could be no animal in the jungle stronger than the lion. Why did the two jackals smile? The two jackals smiled because they knew that there could be no animal in the jungle stronger than the lion. They thought that Zung was very foolish. Just because the animal had made a loud noise, it did not mean that it was more powerful than the lion. But they did not say this to the lion. Why didn't they say this to the lion? Because they wanted to let him live in fear and keep him under their control. Instead, Chalu said that he would go and find out more about that animal. Which animal? The animal which made loud noise and frightened the lion. When Chalu said that he would go and find out more about that animal, Zung got tensed and asked that, what if the beast kills you? On this, Chalu replied. To this, Chalu replied craftily. Craftily means cleverly. A faithful servant, a loyal servant is not afraid of losing his life in the service of his master. The king was very happy with this reply, and Chalu with Golu in tow. In tow means behind him. Means Chalu with Golu behind him went off towards the river. To their surprise, the jackals found that the animal that had frightened the lion was a big bull who had lost his way in the jungle. Now, bull, what do you mean by bull? Bull is an adult male of the cow family. The female of bull is cow. Why was the bull there? Because he had lost his way in the jungle. Chalu scolded the animal for making so much noise. Just scolded means spoke angrily to the animal for making so much of noise and disturbing the king of the jungle. The bull became quiet immediately. He told Chalu that he did not know his way around. He told Chalu that he did not know his way around means that he was not familiar with the area of jungle, and as he had lost his way, he didn't know how to move out of the jungle, and that he was willing to go and tell the king that he was sorry for annoying him. Annoying means for making him angry. But he first wanted the king to promise not to harm him. When the bull came to know that the lion got disturbed by his noise, he wanted to ask sorry from the lion, but on one condition, that the king should promise not to harm him.